Hello YouTube, it's Lasco here, and today I'm going to be opening this ginormous box, which has the exclusive Schleich Retriever family in it. And I have been looking everywhere for this set, so I'm super excited to actually see what it looks like in person. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Look at them. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to take them out of the box. Alright, so after like 5 years of twisting, I've untwisted all the twisties. So let's go ahead and see if I can get these guys out of here without killing one of them. Problem is, these things love to give you nice little scratch marks on the way out, so I will not be yanking them out. Come on. Oh. Shit. At last, they have escaped their boxes. Each and every one of them. Now for the big question though, did Schleich still make these golden retrievers canonically gay? This one's still a male. Yup, they're still both males. And their beautiful son. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. And now it is time for the horrible moment where I take the tags off. Half of me really doesn't want to do this, but I never keep the tags on my figures unless they're just for display, and I plan to use these guys for photography, so I don't really want to keep these tags on them. However, I'm going to try not to damage them. Let's just slip them off nicely here. Come on. There we go. And so you can still go back on if it needs to go back on. Alright, those were actually very surprisingly easy to remove without damaging the paint or damaging the tag. And they can all go right back on the figures if they need to go back on. Alright, I haven't decided on names completely, but I'm definitely going to name this guy Buster, after my own dog, because he's a white golden retriever poodle mix, and this guy is an English cream golden retriever, so I feel like he fits. If my dog were a completely golden retriever, he'd probably look very similar to him. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe next time I'll do a comparison between these models and the original models.